guys, welcome back. Here we go, the off-roading journey starts today. And look at the nice clouds we got. When you slow down. You just gotta get that setting right. I seen you, I was just watching your video. Take that road.
Funny how? You gotta go to the drive bike.
On the drive bike. Oh shit, dead end.
Oh my god. Hopefully I only got a few more days of that. Someone commented on video. I think it was someone new. Like, you're just trying to stop sign and then thumbs up. I'm like,
I don't know what you're talking about.
like what? You think we're on a run stop there?
That's what they think. Yeah, this way. It's right at the end of this.
That's gonna last me in distance for slow takeoff.
Yeah.
You know, get up to speed and then the turbo NOS kicks in like right now, just kicked in.
The turbo NOS.
Second gear, yeah. Third gear, oh, are you like 5 years in a second? Water, guys.
Oh yeah. It shouldn't be as bad once we get in the trail.
No.
Hopefully.
I got tied down just in case one of us breaks down.
Oh god.
No way, yeah.
We're doing 38.
38?
Yeah.
Heavy fucking bike too. Oh, houses, what the hell? Like, I bet there's gonna be perverts to buy these houses because it's beside a Catholic high school.
Teachers.
Oh, it said Deuce Canoe?
Yeah.
Who was it? I think it was Cryptic Cookie or someone anyways. They're like, they laughed, or maybe it was fucking Freddy. But somebody said, fucking Deuce Canoe, that's my new fucking favorite word.
Yeah, straight ahead.
Oh yeah, that's it, isn't it? How fast are we going now?
41, 45.
Oh, doggone EV!
We're doing 44.
Hey, Syntax! What's
Hey!
up?
They know who we are.
Well, they cut him off because you guys are trying to attack. Okay. Oh, I was going to wear a face mask, but I decided not.
I was gonna do it too. That's funny.
I had it on, I went back in the house and I took it off. I'm like, it's too hot for this. Oh, big bump.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Holy fucking cannoli oil.
Okay, 401 trail, y'all.
Oh, they don't like us doing this, so once you get started, don't stop. Whoa, whoa, she's slippery. There's that darn stick. That thing got me last time. Get some speed to get up this hill. There's the 401, guys. There's Trippy. Hey, Trippy! Hey, y'all! You got her figured?
Huh?
You got her figured out? Woo-wee, guys. Here we are. They've definitely cut up here before. I got a little fucking slippery just coming into that trail.
I can see my breath.
Yeah, me too.
You know, it's coronavirus time and you can see your breath.
Here's the deadly hill. Good thing we didn't come up this. Might be a swamp. I would stay on the high side. Whoa, God. Whoa, God. We made her down the hill. Oh, yeah. I gotta take my glasses off so I can see. That was a good one. That was a good one. Fucking testing her out, bubs. You went right down through the dirty. Oh yeah. Why do I have my lights on? Oh yeah, back in the day we used to bomb these trails every day almost. There's where Trippy almost died. Whoa! Oh, there's the river. Now the trail's to the left. Oh, that is thick. Look at that, guys. Now we should stop on near the other side. Oh yeah, you should get a picture. That'd be all right.
Come on, bitch.
Oh my. That might be a little deadly. There's a trail that goes around. I wonder where it goes around to. Can't go very far. We've been in those bushes. And then there's that way, which goes out.
That way
We get in trouble.
that way we kill one, right?
I wonder how deep this actually is. Because usually it's rock on the bottom. Paul must have been down here. There's a shotgun shell. Oh yeah, buddy, she gets deeper. It was up to my fucking foot part. Oh God, guys, we gotta push her out. That's why I brought the rubber boots today. Well, guys, our trail's flooded out. We're gonna see how deep this really is. Oh, yeah, it's almost over my boots. If we stood in the middle, we'd be good. That whole trail's like that. Whoo, guys. Last year we had plants all down that way. Holy shit, that trail's actually open now. Remember before we couldn't go that way, we had to go that way? No, it's just one little dip in the mud, but it goes to that pit, which we can't go to. Because we get in trouble. Well, we can try and go out that way. Or we can go to the river, or the end of Bridge Street. Well, yeah, go straight out, but then fuck that other side of the road. There's the 401 trail, but we know how well that works out. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, watch out for that, Trippy. Still is somewhere. Oh, shit, eh? Oh, guys, this is slushy. Not slushy, but sloppy. We're all over the place in here. Oh, get some grass to wipe off your tires in time.